Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाखया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Bhagavad Gita introduction. Mouth cannot glorify, heart cannot glorify that person. Mouth cannot glorify, then heart cannot admit to glorify that person. This is what we discussed in episode 17. Similarly, those who are around us, when we compete with them, even they may have certain nice thing, we just throw him. We want to enjoy, we want to become Purusha. So we can't glorify Krishna. Sasvatam, he is original. He is always there. That's what it means. Krishna is always there. We are not able to see. That is our problem. But we can ask, can you show me God? Next, Divyam. He is transcendental. Even though he is always there, you cannot see him. You are not transcendental. Somehow we don't know experiencing the transcendental. Unless you have transcendental vision, you cannot see. Even though we are defected, we need transcendental consciousness. What actually it means? How is it actually it is? Similarly, we may see Krishna's feature, deity from the Lord. Unless we have transcendental consciousness, we can't see Krishna there. We only see picture, or wood, or stone, like that. Words are not sufficient to describe Krishna. We are trying to explain through the words the form of a picture. Adi Devam. He is the source of all devas, all demigods. He is the root. Ajam. He is unborn. These are all important. My son is there. He is like Krishna. Krishna is not like your son, and your son is not like Krishna. It also very cheap. Krishna has also date of birth, but he is unborn. It is a oceanic topic, very big topic. Qualities of Krishna are not easy to understand. Bhagavad Gita is preliminary topic. Vibhum, the greater, then the greatest. Millions of demigods are demons, and demons are churning the milk ocean. What must be the snake? The snake must be some kilometers. That mountain, thousands of miles long. In the ground is Lord. Vibhum means the greatest. We have such glorification like Arjuna. If you actually understand Krishna like Arjuna, approach with submission to a representative of Krishna, we can reveal such glory. Who can reveal such a glory? Our spiritual master, by heatful glorification or heartful glorification. So one should approach Bhagavad Gita with a spirit of submission and with the spirit of devotion. A person who is teaching Bhagavad Gita. Marks and ranks cannot help in relationships, and life is full of relationships. Hardly what we remember from our education is like that. So here if you come with the same approach, you will not be able to gain much in spiritual life. That's why we chant the holy name before discussing Bhagavad Gita, so that by glorifying the Lord, If Lord is pleased, if He so desires, He reveals the knowledge to us as much as He revealed to Arjuna. It is by His mercy we can understand. Otherwise, we remember also 5 subjects, 5 truths also. They are discussed in Bhagavad Gita. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 Ishvara, 2 Jiva, 3 material nature, 4 time, 5 karma, 5 marks. But in the life they will not come into our aid. Unless the mercy of the Lord, it will not become a realized knowledge. So we are aspiring for a realized knowledge, which is not easy. It is only by the mercy of Krishna it is possible. So we have to depend on Krishna. We have not so enthusiastically participating in Kirtan. I observed in the Kirtan. Let us start the class. Why the Kirtan and all this? Actually, Kirtan, by glorifying Krishna, become purified and receptive to receive the message we have given. So, if we just want to remember these things, it is not that difficult to remember. But we have to realize it. It requires submission, service attitude, and inquiring mood. Then only we have these relationships. Now, almost 12 years benefit of the class go beyond the class. Only when we look for realizations. It is only some matter of some points. Again next class, we refer the notes. That is academic. These messages stay with us, carry into our life. Then we can really feel grateful to the Lord for giving these messages. The more we are grateful, the more our service attitude increases. The more our service attitude increases. This is how we realize this knowledge. But we don't have remember what to speak of applying, what to speak of carrying with us. So we should be in prayerful mood to receive this message from Lord and receive mercy to apply them, to make them part of our life. Even one message carry a long way in our life, even up to end of our life, which goes deep into the heart, or it becomes part of our life. Even one message, I want the water, the root that is significant, sufficient actually to do. I want the water, the root that is sufficient actually to do, to go back to Godhead. It is not the width or number of points to collect. Matter of depth, matter of how much. We value these teachings in our life over other things, over their priorities in life. Please take it seriously. We would have a deeper experience. This is my prayer. Whenever I come to the classes, just spit out some topics, just pass you some information. Let Krishna be pleased. I will also understand these things, and you will also be able to understand and apply. If you come with this preparation, it is very serious program. It is not casual approach. In casual approach, we learn nothing. Gravity is very important in life. Gravity means purpose. We are doing everything with the purpose. So let us approach now. It is a preparation to have a deeper standing to carry message with us. Today we are going to discuss about karma. Every time I give you little, then you remember it. Today class is activities. What is significant? What is insignificant? And what are the activities that we should do to deliver from this? Here the point is, we engaged in various activities undoubtedly. We don't know what sort of activities we should adapt to gain relief. The actions and reactions of these activities. This is also explained in Bhagavad Gita. We will continue in next episode. I stop this episode here. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरे हरि बोल। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण।